Today we're making a lazy man's cobbler. This is going to come together so quick. You probably have everything you already need in your home. So let me show you what you're going to need. You're going to need some milk, some self-rising flour, some granulated sugar, a stick of butter, and some either a large can of fruit like pie filling, or you can have fresh fruit. I have some strawberries and blueberries I need to use, so I'm going to put those in mine. Let me show you how we put this together. Okay, I got our fruit cut up. I'm just going to rinse it, and then we'll put our batter together. All right, I've got my cast iron skillet warming up in the oven. I'm going to put my stick of butter in it so it can melt. This is a 1 cup measuring cup. We're going to put 1 cup of flour. Okay, we've got 1 cup of flour. One cup of sugar. Probably should have had whole milk, but this is what I buy, so that's what I'm going to use. 1 cup of milk. Just going to stir this up really well. That's a lot better. Okay, our butter has melted. We're going to go ahead and pour our batter in. Then we're going to take our bowl of fruit. We've got strawberries and blueberries. I just thought that's what I had, so I'm going to use them. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. Okay, guys, let's see. I think our cobbler is done, or lazy man cobbler, whatever you want to call it. Oh, yeah. Let's let it cool a little bit, and then we'll come back and eat some. Okay, our cobbler has cooled enough that we can, I think, get some out. And we're going to, you can't have it without some ice cream. So we've got some vanilla ice cream Chad picked up for us. And, yeah. So, let's give it a try here. Hopefully it just can dry on out there. It looks pretty amazing. It smells amazing. Okay, let's give it a taste. All right, we've got our bowl of cobbler, lazy man's cobbler. And I've had this. My mother-in-law introduced me to it, to be honest. She just called it quickie pie. It's a cup, a cup of sugar, cup of flour, cup of milk, and 1 stick of butter. You can use 1 can of canned fruit or pie filling or frozen fruit or fresh fruit, and we use fresh. That's good. That butter is salted, and then you have that like cake feeling from the cup of sugar, flour, and milk. And it's not real sweet. And then you have that fresh burst of berries. And then that creamy ice cream. So good. You all have got to give this a try. I hope that you'll make it. This would be a perfect recipe or dessert for the holidays. We've got 4th of July, Memorial Weekend, Father's Day, Labor Day coming up. And yeah, or you could just make it for any time. Most of the ingredients you probably have in your house, if not all of them. I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you for watching. I hope you decide to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video. I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. See you in the next video. Bye. This recipe is so easy to make. It's absolutely delicious if you have company that comes unexpected, or you're just wanting something sweet. Most people have flour, sugar, and milk in their house and some form of fruit. So I advise that you make this. It's really good, and I hope you'll give it a try.